Welcome friends, my name is Catherine. Have you ever wanted a beautiful island that you see in all the historic homes, say in France or somewhere? Well, I always have. So today we are running to Home Depot and picking out a butcher block. You can get a 6-foot one or a 4-foot one. Those are in stock. And these are the boards for the sides, although these are poplar. We went to our local hardware store for those in pine. And then here we also picked up the little corner pieces in pine. And naturally, while I was gone, he built the sides of the island. The antique legs we trash picked actually.
Did you get it?
They had a round red table that was hideous and laminated for some reason over a beautiful antique wooden top. So unfortunately, that was not salvageable. But oh, those legs. Look at them. They were bright red. I am sorry, I do not have the before photos. I got out all my chalk paint from the basement before we ever moved in here. And I started painting. I have some black on there, some blue, some green, and I just could not wait to use these. These are just so beautiful. They even had the actual wheels still on there, although they did not roll, and a couple of them were broken, so of course it definitely would not roll then. He had a bit of a hard time getting them out, but we did. We ordered some new wheels off of Amazon, and it came with those little things that you insert in the hole, and then he just tapped the wheels right in. I went outside and I stained all the sides, and Don is just adding the mounting brackets in between so that now we can put on the beautiful butcher block top. And as always, Toby is underfoot again. I had always dreamed of having a beautiful island in my kitchen. I had a tiny home when we were first married, very little. We ended up with 4 children and 2 adults in that tiny home. The kitchen was so little, of course there was no room for the beautiful island I had always dreamed about. And fast forward, then we moved into our showroom. We lived above it, so of course, no room for anything there. And then we moved to an historic home before this one, and we did have room for an L-shaped countertop, but unfortunately, no island again. But I was able to get a china cabinet in there, which I love having freestanding furniture. The kitchen where we're at right now, we bought our home about 7 years ago almost, and we've only been in it for not quite 4. And it already had the original cabinetry, and then we made new face frames and doors and drawers, and it just turned out so well. And yes, I was so excited I could finally get a kitchen island in this kitchen. So right away, I knew what those legs were going to be for, and Don and I got busy. So here are some lovely photos and videos of my beautiful French island decorated for the seasons. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hype the video if you have that option. I hope you guys all have a very blessed day, and I will see you in the next video.